In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add story highlights here on Facebook. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But adding story highlights here on Facebook is just a great way to keep your friends and followers updated and make sure your favorite stories don't disappear. To go ahead and do this, begin by opening up Facebook and clicking on the three lines down in the bottom right corner. Now what you're going to want to do is tap on your name up at the very top, and it's going to bring you to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, what you're going to want to do is click on Edit Profile by clicking these three dots just like so next to Advertise. And then scroll down on this page and you're going to see an archive button here. Select that and it's going to show you your story archive as well as your trash. Simply select Story Archive to pull up your stories, and what you're going to want to do is simply go ahead and select that story and then hit highlight down in the bottom right corner, and from here you can either create a new highlight, add it to a previous highlight. In this case we're going to create a new one where you'd be asked to create the cover, add a title, and of course you can add more stuff in the future if you would like. But that's it. That's how you can add story highlights here on Facebook. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But if you did find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more step-by-step guides just like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.